Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to use edit options in your Google Doc file through the web browser. Now in this option, what you have to do is directly go to your Google Doc through the web browser. After that, click on edit. Here you can see undo and redo options that I've already discussed in my tutorial videos and my Google feature videos. So you can undo or redo directly by clicking on these tabs. After that, you can paste, cut, copy, paste without formatting, delete, select all, find and replace. Now let's get into all these options. First, we'll start with typing something. Now we'll click on edit, undo. The last word has been undone. Edit, redo. The last word has been redone. After that, paste. Whatever I copied earlier has been pasted here. After that, edit, paste without formatting. It has been pasted without formatting. Edit, select all, and all the text has been selected. Edit, delete, everything is deleted. Tap on edit, find and replace. As there is no text, the result won't show anything, but if you want to find a word in the whole document, what you have to do is click on find and replace and enter that word. After that, they'll show you the matches and accordingly they'll find the word for you, and you can even replace the same word with any other word. Undo done, redo done, cut, copy, paste done, paste without formatting done, delete done, select all done, find and replace done. To cut and copy, we can also click Ctrl+C to copy. We can select the whole data, Ctrl+C, and we can paste it by Ctrl+V. To cut, we can select the whole data and Ctrl+X. Or you can just select the whole data, edit, cut, done. Or select the whole data, edit, copy, after that paste. Yeah, that's done. So all these topics and options have been covered. Thank you for being with us till the end. We hope you're able to use all the edit options in your doc file through the browser. If you liked the video or if it was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified every single time we upload a new video for you.